In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce single product page. Whether you're looking to optimize the functionality or refine the aesthetics, tailoring your product pages can significantly impact customer experience and, ultimately, sales. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Appearance section of your WordPress dashboard and select the Editor option. This is the control center for all your theme customizations, and it will allow us to get into the specifics of the WooCommerce single product page. Once you're in the editor, open the single product template specifically found under the WooCommerce templates. This template serves as the fundamental layout for all your product pages, so making changes here will affect how each single product is displayed on your store. You might receive a prompt to transform the current template into blocks. Go ahead and click Transform into blocks if this appears. This step is crucial because it allows you to easily manipulate the structure and components of your page using the Gutenberg editor. Gutenberg employs a block-based system, making it more intuitive to customize your page without delving into complicated coding. Now that you've entered the block editing mode, it's time to make use of the WooCommerce blocks available to you. These blocks include important elements like the product title, image, add to cart button, description, and more. Use these blocks to rearrange the layout as per your design preference. For instance, you might want to move the product image to the top, followed by the title and the Add to Cart button for a more streamlined user experience. In addition to rearranging existing blocks, you can enrich your product page by adding new elements. Think about incorporating banners that promote special deals or seasonal offers. Consider upsells by suggesting similar or complementary products that customers may also find appealing. If you anticipate common buyer queries, integrate an FAQ section right on the product page to address these. Custom call to action, CTA buttons, can guide customers toward other areas of your site, like newsletter signups or blog posts that delve deeper into the use of your products. All of these can be added through various WooCommerce or Gutenberg blocks, offering countless possibilities for customization. Once you're satisfied with the changes and have ensured that everything looks well arranged and functions correctly, it's time to save your work. Click on Save and then publish your changes. These actions commit your customizations, making the refined product page live and visible to everyone browsing your store. And there you have it, a personalized WooCommerce single product page that reflects your brand and engages your customers. Take time to explore the diversity of blocks and let your creativity lead the way as you craft a shopping experience that resonates with your audience.